I'm back. The dog is being fed. She's wolfing it down as we speak. And this one should be short and sweet, 2 slides, and we are going to talk about then your test. So you should be able to figure out compound interest, and I will give you the formula, whether it be compounded continuously or compounded a certain number of times. You just have to know what n is. All right, you need to graph exponential functions, and you need to graph logarithmic functions here and here with the transformations that you have. You need to do word problems like we did on the last video, and even that word problem for the length of time or how much of a wound has been healed in an earlier video. You need to solve equations that have the same base. If I don't say it in Zoom, I'll say it now. If you can make them the same base, that's easier than doing what we did for the 3 different types. Okay, you don't want to get into the properties of exponents, or logarithms, I should say, if you don't have to. Okay, you definitely need to know the definition of a logarithm. I didn't do it in the videos, but I know I'm going to practice us going from exponential form of a logarithm to the logarithmic form, or back the other way, logarithmic to the exponential form. And you should be able to simplify this, even though I'll teach you about the calculator and how to do the change of base property. But if you don't know 5 to what power is 25 and the answer is a 2, that's just sad. Very, very sad. Okay, and again, this making them the same base is what allows us to do this stuff in our head. So these are questions that you'll have on the test, and let's see what else. Okay, properties. This is the proof I did of many colors. Here's your change of base property. You have your log properties. You have to go from single log to multiple to single. And then finally, you're going to have 3 types of equations involving logs. Study all 3 types. I have a handout with all the different steps. And then also, I want to emphasize word problems. Word problems like you'll see in science and you'll see in differential equations, and you should know how to answer. I think I'm actually doing a video on that today for differential equations. Okay, how many does that work out to be? I don't remember. Haven't written the test yet, but this is what I will ask questions about. All right, counting to 5. Actually, I should back up. Counting to 5 here. And counting to 5 here. All right, test 2 videos are done.